Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to R2 Ultra. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of R2 Ultra. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section and type in all of your numbers in correct order. Then choose Receive and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!